Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to log formula in Google Sheets. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your sheets, and if you want to log your whole sheets, then click on this little arrow icon next to your sheet name and click on protect sheet. Click on set permissions and restrict who can edit this range. Select your only you and click on done, and that's how we can log whole sheets formula. And right now I'm going to show you how to log this bird from this sheet. So for that, all you have to need, again click on this little arrow icon and click on protect sheet, and now select range, and now click on this little icon here, and all you have to need, just select those bird or cells you want to log and click on OK. Set permissions and select only you and click on done, and that's how we can log formula in Google Sheets. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.